Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Here Vieira with Autonomous Trading. Today we have new highs in shares of advanced micro devices. This is remarkably important because everyone else they have been bearish advanced micro devices. When you log into your account, you find the button that I offered to all of you at $9.85. I repeat, $9.85. I announced the button several months ago, before the share price rallied significantly to $15, and then the share price plunged all over again to the same price, the same pivot that I discussed in real time in the course first edition on live technical analysis, and I repeated once again in the newly revised version of the course live technical analysis in 2018. The difference going forward, or what did happen in 2018, is that by announcing the short position to be closed at $9.85, we upgraded advanced micro devices to strong buy, saying that advanced micro devices, the return on investment will be by far superior going forward, comparing, for example, to Nvidia, a company where we had a strong buy rating since $12.65. Therefore, congratulations to all those subscribers to Artificial Intelligent Bot 3. This is the minimum plan where we announced advanced micro devices as a strong buy. And you also have a price target, and therefore also, and this is again very important, a massive long position in advanced micro devices. You just have to look at the volume here. Since I announced the button, I repeat, this is a double button, 100% accuracy at $9.85, covering entirely the short position. You have the video live on the tape in your account. And with this I terminate, but before I'm going to show you here, because again this is the proof of 28,000% pure profit investing in Netflix and Amazon since I upgraded both companies to strong buy, which you have also on the website and blogs, and naming Netflix and Amazon the number one priorities. Today, new all-time highs in shares of Netflix. You also are aware of your massive long position and price targets. Obviously, raising targets ahead of the most important moves in the markets. And Amazon today is a stock trading at 1,609. In this particular case, I already announced that I abandoned the investment process in Amazon, selling my shares, strong buy since $77, and I made public also with regards to the price target on Amazon, $1,650. And with this I terminate, going back to the share price in advanced micro devices. And if you want a comparison to Nvidia, strong buy since $12.65, this is the price. And you have also a very recent complementary real-time market call on Nvidia on Twitter at a price of $239.50, as well as the free earnings call on Nvidia. The share price zoomed to new all-time highs, 258, 263. Therefore, no surprise whatsoever. This is once again the proof that you have Perelman Fields Medal algorithm trading, the same that we utilize in stocks like Tesla, ETFs, stocks in general, across different market sectors, proving 100% accuracy throughout the years, while everything else that you see on the web is a complete scam. And with this I terminate. Thank you.